The Samsung Galaxy A36 is set to position itself as a well-rounded mid-range device, blending essential performance features with a sleek design that appeals to a wide range of users. Equipped with a powerful Snapdragon 7 series processor, it offers smooth multitasking and gaming capabilities, ensuring that daily operations feel seamless. The phone sports a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a crisp FHD+ resolution, delivering vibrant colors and deep contrasts ideal for streaming and social media. Samsung has also prioritized battery life, packing a reliable 5,000 mAh battery that supports fast charging, allowing users to get through a full day without frequent top-ups. Its camera setup includes a versatile 50MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens, capturing a range of photo styles from detailed close-ups to scenic landscapes. On the software front, the A36 runs on One UI based on Android 13, bringing Samsung's latest features and optimizations. With a stylish, minimalist design available in various colors, the Galaxy A36 is crafted to offer premium features at a competitive price point, appealing to those seeking both style and substance in their smartphone.